check out the CrossFit gym. Are those, hold on, don't tell me. I think I just got this tree. Avocado trees? My avocado tree. I didn't know it was going to be this big. I'm a plant mama of now an avocado tree. See that new growth? Oh, there it goes. I'm so excited. Happy and family, fun gardening. We are here, my first garden, assisting the elderly with cleaning of variegated hydrangea, you all. Oh my gosh. Look at this camellia over here.
This is the wood hydrangea. You know,
that's the oak leaf.
Yeah.
Yeah, that oak leaf is so pretty. Oh man, that camellia. I actually like the way it's growing like that. It's kind of cool. This is real life gardening. Hold on, baby. Oh, everyone, look at the sedum going along the edge. Oh, she got some hukra. That's definitely a hydrangea. And she said she have weeding to do. So you all, this is not the best right now. But to me, oh, look at all of her hydrangea. Oh, that was the sedums, autumn joys. It's all right. We gonna get things in order. Oh yeah, I'm gonna come out here and weed all of this for her. I am excited. Oh, look at the hydrangeas. Hello. Look at the beautiful blooms. Yes, look at Legend. Legend, say hello. Oh, that's pretty. Yes, you see? Oh gosh. Oh, that was a beautiful bloom. It's been, look at that mom. Her moms are in. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, look at her apple trees full of sun. I think that's an apple. Oh no, that's a plum tree. Oh, that's a massive plum tree. Oh, look at the rose, Legend. You see? Oh, I'm about to have some fun, y'all. Look at the climbing rose. Legend, come here. Y'all want to see the little work I did? Cleaned out some of this bed. Oh my God, look at this carrot, everyone. Oh, look how large it is. Beautiful. I got a pile here. I've been cleaning out all of this space. Oh, her hellebore has bloomed, which I bought some from her. Y'all, it's a mole hole down there. Yeah. Cleaned out some of that bed. Here's my little pile. Hard work, and look at what we harvested. Just massive. Beautiful. Whoa. You see, you got it? Whoa. You gonna pick it up? Okay, bring it over here. Oh, you don't throw it in the ground, Legend. You're just being bad. You're supposed to pick it up and help her. Bring it. Oh, shoot. That thing is heavy. Oh, look at that. He sure was. And look at this all topiary. I'm going to try these. Backyard Oasis. I haven't been out, you all, in a while. But check out the CrossFit gym. Just amazing. The sovereign Lord is my strength. He makes my feet line. Oh, he makes my feet like the feet of deer. He enables me to tread on the heights. Habakkuk 3:19. Here we go, you all. Look at this. Isn't this just amazing? Beautiful wood. Oh, look at the shed. And this is where everything is stored. That's just beautiful. Beautiful. And the tires are over there. CrossFit 191.
Man, if this space was bigger, it would be really nice. And it took time.
Exactly. How long did you wish for this to happen?
I've been living here for 20 years.
Oh,
And this
20
happened
years.
This year.
Oh my God. Wow. See, I'm telling you, the pandemic did us all some good.
Yeah.
Y'all built these this year too?
Yes.
Wow. And now you're winterproofing. Are those, hold on, don't tell me. I think I just got this tree. Avocado trees? Or
No, I actually do have an avocado tree, but I can't keep that outside yet.
And-
These are oranges.
oranges. See, because I just brought my avocado in.
Yeah, or else it's going to die. It's very sensitive to the cold.
Exactly. What's that?
Oh, okay. So we have. Oh no, actually, that is a sound system. It's supposed to.
Oh
be
my
underground,
God.
but it's right there.
This is why I love y'all. Y'all
And
Mexicans
those
be having
hoses
parties.
that you see
Oh.
on the fence is for the fire
fire-
pit, so air can get in there and
Oh, see, I'm learning something new because I got something like this on the deck. So if I ran a fire pit, okay, now I know the right way. And why y'all put all this up against here like this?
Oh, we weren't too sure who were gonna get in trouble for building it, so we were trying to camouflage it.
Smart. Oh my gosh, look at your hydrangeas.
Like if you can see by the fence, you can see where the original line of the hill used to
God,
be.
y'all built that whole retaining wall too?
Yes.
Oh
We
my.
Scraped all the soil. We made that side.
Y'all laid
even.
y'all new sides. So that was the first thing I'm sure y'all did. Resodded.
Well, after we scraped everything, because this took a while, because see, it was
Okay.
uneven too. Like if you can tell by the fence,
Yeah, it's lower over there.
it's the same fence, but it just looks smaller because we evened up all the land.
Wow.
Because my husband didn't like it that it was slopey.
Okay.
So once we scraped everything here and we put over there what we needed to make it all level, and then with
this
the
is-
rest of it we put up here.